What's going on? It's another sunny day here. We got Cody over here. Her car's with a dead battery. We got the Koki over here chilling. And we got Mark's car, which means you already know. We're getting down. So let's go! Alright, Cody, give us the rundown.
I have no idea what's happened today. Check it out, guys! Looks like we got most good parts of it done.
Most good
Yippee.
parts? Yeah.
Yippee-yi-yay!
Yeah, we did a little geometry and some maths.
Still gotta do these ones.
Some mathematicals. Yeah, we gotta weld it up.
Had a little bit of a detour of our project here. Had to do some work on the farm. There's a cat across the street. Maybe it is. She's on a mission.
Stop! I don't want to.
We're on a detour.
No, go talk about your car.
All right, we'll go back to the car. So we got most of the bars notched out and either tack welded in place. All the plates in. It is coming together. It's looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out and then weld the top pieces in completely and then put it in, and then that'll be that for that portion of the door bars in here. Mark did a great job. He's welding in the second door bar. Drew's over here messing around with his steering wheel apparently. Let's see. He's got the big baller wheels. The big baller wheels.
Too big!
He's got his cage all painted black now. It's nice and pretty for now. He's not sure what color he wants to paint it, but didn't want it to rust, so flat black primer it is.
Yay!
You got some flat black primer on your shirt, bud,
And all over my hands and my pants.
so what color are you gonna paint it, huh?
Don't know. Leave a comment below.
I think he knows what color he's gonna paint it. He just doesn't want to tell the viewers.
I'm not sure yet.
All 12 of you.
All 12.
If there's more than 12 views on this video,
Comment your color choice.
he'll paint it a bad color. So Drew, what left do you have to do on this car, huh?
I left my list at home.
I get my angle for days. Alright, we cut and notched the bottom part of the door bar. It's looking pretty good.
Us doing this shit really goes to show that you can do whatever you want to do. You just gotta go out and fucking do it.
Okay, so we got one more bar to go after this one. Gonna do the highest bar for the passenger side. Going pretty good, so you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start notching that. We have this support bar in. Basically, we got the door bars in on both sides, so those are done. They'll be where they need to be. Pop the door panels off for now. mark them up for where I need to cut them, and then I just added in this back bar here. It's ancillary to have, but it looks real cool because if you go in the center, it makes kind of an X, and I think that looks real cool. So I had a little bit of leftover metal, not really enough to do anything with. I was gonna make a bash bar or two, but it wasn't enough, so that's what I did. Now that the cage is basically done, I'll be looking to paint it next. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Actually, I don't really care about the like and commenting part, but if you subscribe, you know, it helps us out, so would appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good day. Peace.